Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Anaí and I'm here today doing this YouTube video with you guys. I went to Ultra the other day and I picked up some products that are very economic, and I just wanted to come on here and swatch with you guys some of the stuff that I do have. So this face right here is, I know it's a little rough, but we're gonna go ahead and change it up. What I did want to go ahead and do is talk about the products that I did pick up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this one right here. This one is called the Hey LA, and this is a essence palette. I did see all their palettes and they are so beautiful, but this one just caught my eye. I don't really wear like pinks or purples, and I just wanted to go out of my comfort zone, and I love doing that. I love challenges, and I love just sharing with you guys what I can create, and if I can do it, you can do it. So let's just go ahead and swatch some of the colors, and let's just go ahead and start with this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and get started with my eyelids, and as we go down the road, I'm going to go ahead and tell you what products I did buy and I will be using. I love the colors on this palette, and I did buy these sponges right here. I put a little bit of concealer that I will be using right now, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend this into my eye. So I'm going to go ahead and use my nude palette from ColourPop, and I'm going to use this one right here. The reason I'm going to go ahead and just seal my concealer is because it is going to get dry. And then we're just going to go ahead and do what we did here to this one. So we're going to start right here, and then we're going to make our way up, and we're not going to start on our crease, we're going to start above our crease, okay? So let's try them out how intense they are. So you just want to start little by little and make your way up. Go ahead and extend all the way out here. That's pretty, guys. And I didn't even put that much. got these brushes from BH Cosmetics, and I got one time a pretty good deal. Okay guys, so I'm going to use this color right here with this brush, and I'm going to go ahead and use this for my crease. And we're just going to put a little bit and start right here and go up. So I'm going to go ahead and use my concealer again. Just grab a little bit like this. And you will need a brush just like this. This is a paintbrush, and I grabbed it before my kids got a hold of it. And this is what I use to cut crease my eye. I've used it once, and so I'm going to go ahead and use this for my concealer. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut my crease really quick. And you can see that everything is blended in very well. And we're just going to go ahead and start right here. And go up. Where the brown meets. Before you do put your pink or purple, whatever color you want to use, we are going to seal the ending right here, and we're going to go ahead and use the brown that we used to put on our crease. Will be this one right here. We're going to start from the outer corner going in. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go out of my comfort zone and just use this purple right here. And I'm going to use this kind of brush. So we want this to be very intense right here. And down. This is so beautiful, guys. I love it.
You're blocking the exit with your life.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my foundation, but before that we need some primer. I did pick this up at Ultra, and this is the Benefit Primer. I've heard really good reviews about this, and I wanted to go ahead and use it. Also, I wanted to talk about this Milani foundation. It says it's Conceal and Perfect, a 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. So I wanted to go ahead and try this also and give you guys my honest opinion about this. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my primer first and then my foundation. This feels so smooth, you guys. Like, it's like a really thin cream or lotion that you're putting over your skin. It smells good. You guys would love this. If you have tried it before, comment down below what you guys think of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my sponge. So I zoomed in a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my concealer.
Liars, right what they wanna show. Singers, sing what they told. But I know you got something else to say. Secret language, speaking in tongues. Snake like tongue tied, you on the run. Trouble dancing, I don't know what you are, you are, you are, you are.
On this concealer, guys, you don't need too much. It's really good. It's like the tar concealer. It's like really thick. It covers a lot and it dries pretty fast also. And I love it. Hey guys, so I can see that the makeup that I'm using, it has a lot of coverage. The concealer has a lot of coverage. It is very good. They're very economic makeup. What's it called? I'm gonna go ahead and put some setting powder on the bottom and let it sit for just a minute. Okay guys, so to remove off your extra stuff, what I do is just pat it all over. Again, just right here and right here. And that's just going to give you a smoother look, and that's what we want. I want it to look smooth. I want it to look nice and pretty, colorful, and beautiful. Okay guys, so before we go on, we're going to go back to our eyes and finish our eyes off. We're going to use the purple and brown. So the first thing we're going to use is the purple, and we are going to be using this brush right here. Around, and we just want to go ahead and put some right here in the middle of our eyes and this way. Okay guys, so this is how the look is coming out so far. I am a little pale, so I'm going to go ahead and contour my face really quick, and then we will see the outcome. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, but don't leave just yet, because as I was saying at the end of the video, we were going to talk about the giveaway. So I went ahead and bought you guys a palette just like we used for today. I am so happy. I really appreciate all my followers on YouTube and on Facebook, and I love how you guys just appreciate and support me guys, and I just wanted to give back something. It is completely new. This palette, I got it for you guys, and this will be the giveaway. The only thing that you have to do is tag a friend and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the little bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Next time I do another makeup video, I will announce the winner for this palette. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next time. Bye guys.